Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an oxygen concentrator. First, find a suitable location for your concentrator, ensuring it's on a flat, stable surface. Make sure there's at least 6 inches of clear space around the air intake to allow for proper airflow. Next, securely plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. This ensures a safe and reliable power supply for your device. Now, let's prepare the humidifier bottle. Fill it with distilled water, being careful not to exceed the maximum fill line. Then, securely screw the humidifier bottle onto the oxygen outlet port of your concentrator. Finally, take your nasal cannula tubing and firmly attach one end to the outlet port on the top of the humidifier bottle. This setup ensures comfortable, humidified oxygen delivery. With everything connected, it's time to power on your device. Locate the power switch, usually on the front or side, and turn it on. You'll hear the machine start up. Next, carefully adjust the flow rate dial to your prescribed setting, typically measured in liters per minute. Finally, place the nasal cannula on your face and confirm you feel a gentle, consistent flow of oxygen. This confirms proper operation. For optimal performance, remember to regularly clean your concentrator's air filter, typically once a week, using mild soap and water. Allow it to air dry completely before reinserting. Also, replace your nasal cannula every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain hygiene and efficiency. And hey, while you're taking care of things, why not treat your car? Life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Keep your oxygen flowing and your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.